Here's what we're tracking, or what we saw throughout the day today. Lots of blue skies, some melting snow with the slightly milder than usual temperatures. You see our sunshine stuck around for most of the day. As we tracked into the evening, is still fairly bright until the sun went down, so overall comfortable getting outside. If you're heading out this evening, it should remain comfortable. Temperatures right now in the 30s. You will notice a couple of flakes and flurries up in the Northwoods. Not tracking much, but don't be surprised to see a flurry here and there. As we take a look up in the Northwoods, this is our Blaines Farm and Fleet Camera in Rhinelander. Not seeing much for snow development, so if we are seeing anything up north, it is going to be on the lighter side. Now, temperatures are sitting pretty nice for the evening. 31 degrees outside right now in Rhinelander. Our wind chill at 25 degrees. And temperatures aren't expected to change too much from now into early tomorrow morning. In fact, it might be a couple degrees warmer by early tomorrow. That's going to have an impact on our precipitation headed our way. Now, we should be dry for the next couple of hours, but as we move into tomorrow morning, we're looking at a very decent chance of precipitation, and it does look like that is going to be falling as rainfall to start outside tomorrow. Eventually, as we cool down, we'll continue with a chance of precipitation, which will fall and transition over into snowfall. But at least the morning looks like it's going to begin with rain, so make sure to pack that umbrella. Let's track it out here on Future Track. You can see as we head into the overnight hours, not too much until we hit early tomorrow morning, but you can see a lot of green popping up on the map here. So here's 6 a.m. early on Thursday, looking at showers moving into the western side of the state. 8 or 9 a.m. Now we're starting to see rain showers here across central Wisconsin. So if you do have a morning commute, you might want to bring your rain jacket with you. That's going to be a fairly cold rain. Temperatures in the upper 30s. It's cold enough or warm enough for rainfall, but not too warm outside. As we track into the afternoon, we are expected to cool down. That's going to be bringing that transition of rain to snow. Now, it's not a significant system, so don't expect much for snowfall accumulation, but we could be seeing at least a light coating on the roadways. That's going to cause some concern with the rainfall in the morning, the colder than freezing temperatures by the afternoon, and that layer of snow that could create some very slick roadways for our Thursday afternoon and evening. So make sure you're traveling safely as we move into the later part of tomorrow. Moving into Friday, not expecting much, mixed clouds and sunshine. Eventually late Friday night into Saturday, we could see a couple of flakes and flurries. Our extended future track shows that moving in here for Saturday morning, primarily the northern half of the state. We're keeping our eye on that. Could be an inch or so. The end of the weekend, though, looking dry. We should have some ample sunshine for our Sunday morning, midday, and afternoon. There will be a little bit of a cooler end to the weekend. Tonight down to 31, so pretty mild for this time of year. South to southwest winds 15 to 25. Daytime high tomorrow about 36 degrees. That's going to be in the morning, then cooling down to the 20s for the afternoon. Extended forecast moving forward shows 36 here on Thursday, 17 on Friday, 27 Saturday, and then some sunshine on Sunday at 13 degrees. As moving to next week, temperatures will rebound back into the 20s and 30s.